Halloween. Most people are at Halloween parties. What are we doing? We're going to go have a look at Hyperia. But before we get started, here's the trailer that you've all seen a million times. There's the trailer for you guys. Hype is really building up now for Hyperia. If you haven't been to the Monk's Walk before, I'm just going to show you how to get there. Obviously take the right lane, unlike me. So there's the entrance to Thorpe Park there, guys. And we're going to go straight past it. Oh, we haven't got very good weather for the Monk's Walk. It's going to be very, very squelchy. So you want to drive straight past the entrance, guys, and then you're going to take your second left. And then you're going to follow this little road all the way down until you find a church. So you keep following that road down and then you'll see this little church over here. You're not allowed to park here, guys, because it is for the church only, so we just park along the main road where there's no double yellows. And then if you look here, you'll find this little gap and that will lead you to the Monk's Walk. As you can see, we've got some horrible weather, so it's going to be very muddy down the Monk's Walk. Before we get down there, if you want to see an update from within the park, we were at Thorpe Park 3 days ago, so you can check that one out on my channel. I'll add it on the end screen. Something we didn't mention in the last vlog, obviously now Project Exodus is called Hyperia. We know that Merlin applied for Icarus as well, so we were thinking sort of a Greek theming around the story of Icarus, but obviously now we've got Hyperia, so we're not too sure where that's going. There isn't much information online about the name Hyperia itself. It says it's the daughter of a river god, and it's also a town in like ancient Greek, so I'm not sure if they're going that way with Egyptian theming or if they're going with Greek theming. If anyone knows more, please drop it in the comments. Hyperia is also a state of delusion, but we've got the slogan now, it's Find Your Fearless, so I'm really not too sure where they're going with the theming. But let's go down the Monk's Walk, driving past. We know today we've got a very special update, so stay tuned. Let's see if we can find anything interesting. We got the warning sign there. Thorpe Park operates 24-hour CCTV surveillance. Keep out. So this is new. It looks like someone's made a hole in the fence. Just through there you got the Thorpe Park water sports. I've never actually done it myself. So we've actually got some TNT from Angry Birds Land. If you haven't heard, guys, the latest update on Thorpe Park, they are removing Angry Birds Land. I think it's about time. I think it's had its day. I'm not sure what they're replacing it with. I've heard a few rumours. Some people said that it might be Fortnite as a joke. We got an old Loggers Leap boat there, along with some of the old rapids. And if you look just here, rest in peace, Rocky Express. As you can see, guys, we got Nemesis Inferno from the back. Everyone coming out the exit. it's starting to take place. It looks completely different down here now, guys. Worth the trip. We haven't been here since summer, and I don't think Hyperia was actually vertical at the time. Got Colossus up there with its noisy lift hill. And just over here, we've got the maintenance bay. And a very exciting update. Not sure if you can see it on the GoPro at the moment there, guys, but we'll get a closer look for you, as long as the fence isn't too high now. See, this is things I absolutely love about the coaster community. They might have built a big gate with a lot of barbed wire, but we've still got some little stumps placed by random people, so we can have a look. And here we go, guys. Here we've got the maintenance bay. We've got work on the station there, as you can see, and in the distance, today on Halloween, it looks like they have completed the 160-foot outer bank. Got some engineers up there now. Wow, it's really starting to take shape. Awesome. It's actually really cool to see the last little bit of the outer bank installed. Very interesting to see how coasters go up. You can see the crane there's holding it. I'm not sure if you can see it too well on the video, guys, but the track's actually not connected properly yet. They're literally connecting it as we speak, which is really cool. You can hear the drill going. So the last time we came down here, it was just this fence here, and they put up some coverage, as you can see here. Obviously people didn't like it, so they must have taken it down. So now they've got a second wall there, unfortunately. But we can still get a closer look. And there we go, guys, we've got your update. We had a pretty good day to come down despite the weather. They're getting it up pretty fast. I really hope they keep this pace over winter. And not much longer now, Stealth will be dwarfed and no longer the tallest ride in the theme park. We're going to be trying to get weekly updates for you. If you did enjoy today's vlog, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Only a short one today, guys, but what have we learnt? Next time, we're going to need a bigger stump.